Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel.
Dear friends, how have you been? I, for one, encountered the virus and overcame it, hence the delayed video. So let's get to it. Today's DIY bottle decor ideas and an experiment in design. You will soon see why it is an experiment and not a completely successful one at that. Glass bottles have such attractive shapes. I have always wanted to find a way to use them as lights by placing a candle or flame inside them, but without taking the trouble of cutting the glass or drilling holes in them. Of course, it is very common to place fairy lights in glass bottles, but I wanted to place a lighted candle inside. I figured that the open mouth of the bottle will allow enough oxygen inside for the candle to burn. For this DIY, apart from clean bottles, we can use a steamer to easily remove stubborn labels and glue marks from the bottles. We will need the following items: a glue gun, some bendable wire, something to cut the wire, scissors, some aluminium foil, some thin candles, any pen of this shape. About 4 meters of jute string, some white and black acrylic color if you want to change the color of the jute twine. Colored twine too is available, a funnel and some sand or dry soil. To begin with, I am creating a holder for my candles by cutting and molding aluminium foil with the help of a sketch pen. Use a straight piece of wire a few inches longer than the length of the bottle to construct the handle for the candle holder. Now the candle can be lit and then lowered straight into the bottle and pulled out when needed. I have made 3 of these here. To decorate the light green bottle, I am using twine sprayed with white paint. It is now much lighter in color than the original color of the twine. I am using my glue gun to create a pattern on the bottle. You can get creative here and make any pattern you wish. It all looks great, believe me, as long as it is symmetrical. There, almost done. For my regular glass bottle, I wanted a darker twine to create a difference and a variety among the three bottles. Mix some acrylic paint with water and just soak the twine in it. I now have dark twine. It just needs to be dried before use. The plain glass bottle looks a bit too plain, so I'm color blocking it. To get a uniform and neat effect, I'm using 2 strips of masking tape. For the color block, I'm using a flat brush and even strokes to get a uniform coat of paint. The white paint is not really paint, it is artist's gesso. It can be made at home too with plaster of Paris and Fevicol. This gives the best matte finish on glass. Peel off the masking tape before the gesso dries completely. Now allow the gesso to dry. My twine is almost dry and a nice dark color, offering a strong contrast to the white color blocked bottle. Meanwhile, let us make some lids or caps for the bottles. I have here some wooden beads which I will just wrap with twine to make the caps. Tightly crumpled newspaper too can be shaped into a ball and can replace the wooden beads easily. The dyed twine is now completely dry and so is the color block bottle. I'm making a pattern on it as I go along. I think these shapes look cute, but the possibilities here are endless. Here's how the bottles look with their matching caps. To prevent a permanent collection of melted wax at the bottom of the bottle, pour a thick layer of sand or dry soil. The sand will prevent the wax from sticking to the bottom of the bottle. Just pouring out the sand will clear the wax. Now for the tricky part. Will the candle holders work the way they should? Yes, they work perfectly for all of 15 seconds. The air inside is inadequate to support a flame inside. I tried this a couple of times, but clearly bottles have too narrow a mouth for the outflow of CO2 and the inflow of O2. The only other option is to place the candles so that the flames are close to the open mouth. A partial success. This is how they look with the lighted candles. But there is a better use for my candle holders. They easily hold incense sticks, and the oxygen too is enough for the small glow of the sticks. The full length of the sticks burned, giving out mysterious fragrant smoke at the mouth of the bottle. Completely safe to have around and no messy ash visible. I hope you enjoyed the video and will try to make this project. Please like the video, share, comment and subscribe.